Very good afternoon. See here, I'm starting the session. Listen. So in the previous session, we discussed about packages. Package is the collection of procedures, functions, and variables. So all related functions and procedures, we place at one place. So this is the advantage we are getting with the package. So it improves the performance. And also we can overload the procedures or functions and we can define the private members. So these are the major advantages we are getting with the package. So to create the package, we have to follow two steps. One is define package specification, then define package body. One is define package specification and another one is define package body. So in the package specification, which procedures we want, which functions we want, those we declare here. So just we declare the procedure header, function header only, body will not be there. Where we write the body? In the package body. In the package body, we define the code of the procedures and functions. So to get grip on, you know everything about package now. To get grip on creating packages, we are defining one package here. So yesterday we have seen general programming. Now see database programming. Our requirement is we want to define a package as following. We want to define a package as following. Okay, now listen. We are giving package name as HR. HR is the package name. If employee is joined in the organization, we want to define. If employee is joined in the organization, we want to insert the record of employee. So to insert the record of employee, we are defining one hire. We want to insert the record now. So we have to define procedure or function. Procedure. So we are defining the procedure. What is the procedure name? Hire. Hire is the procedure name. Next, if employee got promotion, if employee salary is increased, we want to increase the salary. So to increase the salary, we want to define one update salary, procedure or function. Procedure, because DML operation. So DML operation means define procedure here. So define procedure. And next, our requirement is like if employee is left from the organization, okay, so we want to delete that employee record. So for deleting the employee record, we want to define fire, procedure or function. Procedure. So fire procedure we are defining. Procedure name is fire. If employee is joining, hire. If employee salary is updated, we are updating salary. Okay, if employee left from organization, fire. Fire procedure we are called. So inserting, updating, deleting. Like this. We want to find experience of the employee. We want to find experience of the employee. So to find experience of the employee, this is calculation. So we have to define procedure or function. Function. So function experience we are defining because this is calculation. This is calculation. Okay. So next, our requirement is we want to get top and salaried employees. So top and salaried employees records we want to get. Okay. So top 3 salaried employees records, top 5 salaried employees records we want to define. So here we want to perform fetch operation, select operation. So we have to define function or procedure. Function. So that's it. This is our task. Observe. So package name is HR. In that 3 procedures and 2 functions we want to define. Coding you already know. Coding you already know. Okay, just we are placing those procedures and functions in the package package concept we are using. Procedure, how to define procedure, how to define functions, coding, just we are defining inside of the package. So we have to follow 2 steps here. First step is what? Define package specification. Define package specification means we have to declare the procedures and functions. So what we have to write? Create or replace package. Create or replace package. Give the package name. What is the package name here? HR is the package name. So package name is HR. Then write is or as. Then write end. In between that, we have to declare the procedures and functions. What is the first procedure name? Hire procedure we want to define. So right here, procedure name is hire. So if employee is joined in the organization, we want to insert employee details. So many details are there. Just I am taking employee number, employee name. Two variables only I am taking. If you want more variables, you can take. Okay, just I am taking 2 variables only. Okay, one is P underscore employee number. Okay, which data type? EMP dot employee number percentage type. Okay, next employee name. P underscore E name. P underscore E name, variable name. EMP dot E name percentage type. Okay. So this is the procedure we define to insert the employee record. So package name is HR here. We are declaring one procedure. Procedure name is hire. We want to capture employee number and employee name. Bracket close, semicolon. This is one procedure declaration. Next is second procedure. Second procedure name is what? Update salary. Declare it. What we have to write? Procedure. Procedure name is update salary. Procedure name is update salary. Okay. Next, for updating the salary, what we want? Employee number, increment amount. Employee number, increment amount. So what we have right here? P underscore employee number, EMP dot employee number percentage type. Okay, increment amount, P underscore amount, float type we are taking. So another procedure declaration is over. Next, third procedure. Third procedure name is what? Fire. Okay, so right here, procedure name is fire. Which employee's record we want to delete? That employee number we want to get. Employee number. So for employee number, which argument we have to take? P underscore employee number. Which data type? EMP dot employee number percentage type. That's it. Okay, so 3 procedure declarations are over. Next, we want to define one function. Function name is experience. So which employee's experience you want to find? That employee number we have to capture here. So function name is experience. Function name is experience. Which employee's experience you want? That employee number we want to capture. So write P underscore employee number, EMP dot employee number percentage type. Okay, it returns experience, 20 years experience, 15 years experience, 30 years experience, number it is returning. Return type is number. Next, another one is function. We want to get top and salaried employees records. Okay, so function name is top and. Function name is top and. Function name is top and. Okay. So top 3 we want or top 5 we want, like this we pass. So we have to capture the number here. So I'm taking number as n. N number type we are declaring. What it is returning? It is returning a set of records. Okay, 3 means it should return top 3 employees records. Okay, 5 means 5 employees records. Set of records it is returning. To hold set of records, we have to use the cursor. Ref cursor we have to use. What is the return type here? Sys underscore ref cursor. So sys underscore ref cursor. That's it. So 3 procedures and 2 functions. Just declaration is over. Package specification is over. We are defining package specification means we are making these members as public. Okay, now these members can be used out of the package now. Okay, first step is over. Second step is what? We have to define the package body. So second step, define package body now. So define package body. Package body we want to define. Okay, so to define the package body, what we are write here? Create or replace package body. Create or replace package body. Okay, what's the package name? HR, right? Is or as, then write end. In between that, we have to define procedures body, functions body. So, what is the first procedure name? Hire. This hire procedure body we want to define. So, I'm copying this as it is. Okay, because these are the arguments. So, we need to define procedure name, arguments here. So, I'm copying as it is here. Observe. So here we are defining the procedure. Procedure name is hire. Here we are defining the procedure. Procedure name is hire. We are taking employee number and employee name. Then write is or as. Then write begin. Then write end. This is the ending point of the procedure hire. So to indicate that, what we are writing here? End hire. End hire. So when we call this hire procedure, when employee joined in the organization. So when employee joined in the organization, to insert that record, we call this hire procedure. Now insert employee number and employee name. Employee number is in which variable? P underscore employee number. Employee name is in which variable? P underscore e name. So if you want to call this procedure, we call like this, HR.hire. HR.hire. Okay, which record you want to insert? That employee name, employee number and employee name we pass like this. So when we call this procedure, package name dot procedure name, because this is packaged procedure. HR.hire, we are passing employee number and we are passing employee name. Employee number is in the P underscore employee number. Employee name is in the P underscore e name. This data we want to insert now. So for inserting, what we are write here? Insert into. In which table we want to insert? EMP. Limited column values we want to insert. So we have to specify the column list here. First column name is employee number. Second column name is e name. Values. Okay, values. Give the values here. What are the values? P underscore employee number. P underscore e name. Okay, to save this data, what we are writing? Commit. For user understanding purpose, we are displaying one message. dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Record inserted. Record inserted. So one procedure definition is over. So in the package specification, we declared procedure hire. That procedure hire body we defined in the package body. So one procedure definition is over. Next is second one. Second one is what? Update salary. So procedure update salary, coding you already know. Directly I'm writing the coding. I'm copying this. Second procedure update salary we are defining now. So this is the second procedure. So procedure name is update salary. We are capturing employee number. To which employee we want to increase the salary, that employee number we are capturing. How much amount we want to increase, that amount value we are capturing. Then write is or as. Then write begin. Then write end. Okay, this is end of update salary procedure. So write end update salary. Okay, in between that write the code now. For updating employee salary, what we have to write here? Update EMP set salary equals to salary plus. Okay, how much amount? P underscore amount. So P underscore amount. Okay, where? where employee number equals to P underscore employee number. So after updating the salary, we want to save this one, commit. Then for user understanding purpose, display one message here. DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, so salary increased, salary updated, or salary increased. Any user understandable message we can display here. So second procedure definition is over. Next, third procedure. Third procedure name is what? Fire. So when we want to delete the employee record, we define this one. So procedure name is file. So procedure name is file. Okay, it takes one argument, employee number. So this given employee number record we want to delete now. So what we have read here is begin, end. This is the ending point of fire procedure. Okay. Now here what we have tried, delete from which table? From EMP, where employee number equals to P underscore employee number. To save this, what we are writing? Commit. Finally, we want to display the message as record deleted. So what we are writing here? DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. Record deleted. So record deleted message we want to display. So three procedures definitions are over. So here we declared three procedures: hire, update, and fire. Those three procedures body we defined in the package body. Next two more are there. These are the functions. So function experience. This one we want to define. Function experience. So I'm copying this declaration. We are defining the function here. So this is the function. Okay, function name is what? Experience. We passed employee number. That employee's experience it has to find is begin, end. This is end of experience function. So here define the code. We want to find the experience. So to find the experience, what is required? Hire date is required. So find hire date and hold in one variable. Variable is v underscore hire date. Okay, from which table we are retrieving? EMP, where employee number equals to, what is the employee number? P underscore employee number. Okay, so declare the variable here. What is the variable? V underscore hire date. Which type? Date type. Okay, so now hire date value is in the V underscore hire date. We want to find the experience now. So to find the experience, what we have to write? Sys date minus V underscore hire date by 365. Okay, if any decimal places are there, we want to remove those decimal places. Okay, which function we have to call? Trunc function. So this value we want to return. What we have to write? Return. So sys date minus hire date means we will get number of days by 365 means number of years with decimal places. To remove those decimal places, trunc. So we will get the experience here. Okay, now we have experience. Next. Last one, function top n. So this function we want to define now. Function top n we want to define. So this is the declaration. Is the declaration top n. This function we want to define now. What we have to write? Function top n. Okay, we are capturing number. We want to return set of records here. Then write is or as. Then write begin. Then write begin. Then write end. This is the ending point of the top n function. So here what we have to write? Declare one cursor variable, ref cursor variable. C1, sys underscore ref cursor. Open the cursor now. To open the cursor, what we are writing? Open C1 for find top and salaried employees records. I'm using inline view here. So select star from. Okay, in this we are writing the select query. So select employee name, employee number, employee name, salary, select employee number, employee name, salary. Okay, then we want to find the rank. So to find the rank, which function we have to use? Dense rank over order by salary, descending order. So for this dense rank function, we are giving alias name as rank. So now first this subquery will be executed. It applies from EMP. So first this subquery will be executed. So when this subquery is executed, it applies ranks to all employee records. According to the salary, descending order, it applies the ranks. Okay, according to the salary in descending order, it value we are capturing here. Okay, rank less than or equals to 3 means top 3 records we will get. Rank less than or equals to 5 means top 5 records we will get. Rank less than or equals to n means n records we will get. N value we are capturing here. Next, finally, this select query result is in the C1. Now C1 has top and salaried employees records. We want to return them. So what we are writing here? Return C1. That's it. Defining package body is over. Observe here. To define our requirement is defining the package with the name HR. We want 3 procedures. Hire, update salary, fire, 3 procedures. 2 functions, experience and toppen. Okay. So first we are defining package specification. Here we are declaring 3 procedures and 2 functions. Package specification means only we declare the procedures and functions whatever we want. Here we are defining package specification means we are making these members as public. Out of the package, these are accessible now. Okay. Next, package body we are defining. So here package body, create or replace package body of HR package specification. We are defining package body here. This is a procedure hire procedure. Okay. Next, update salary procedure code. Okay. Next, fire procedure code. Okay. Next, 2 functions, experience function code. Okay. Next, function toppen. That's it. So this is defining package. So inside of package, we are defining procedures and functions. So you can say package is a group of procedures and functions. So I am showing it practically. Observe here. Our batch schema, C ## batch 2 PM. Password is Naresh IT. I'm setting server output on. And I'm setting verify as off. Verify off. To clear the screen, I'm writing CL space SCR. Let me set page size also. Page size 200 and line size 200. And I'm clearing the screen. Observe. So we want to define package specification. So this is the package specification. I'm copying. So package specification I'm copying here. And at SQL prompt I'm pasting. Observe here what it is telling. Package created. So package specification is over. So 3 procedures, 2 functions declared here. Next we want to define package body. So this is the package body. Just copy here. I'm copying this. Okay, what it is telling? Package body created. Okay, so package body created here. Okay, so package is created. Now we want to use them. Okay, observe the EMP table data. Select employee number, e-name, salary from EMP. How many records are there? 9 records are there. From 1001 to, okay, so 2014 is the ending one. In between, some employee numbers are not there, so 9 rows are there. Now, for example, assume that one employee joined in the organization. We want to insert that record. So to insert, okay, so for hire procedure, for calling hire procedure, we are writing like this. Procedure means we have to use execute command. If you want to call the procedure from SQL prompt, use execute command. So execute. Okay, what is the package name? HR dot. What is the procedure name? Hire. So HR dot hire. Okay, I am giving employee number as 2001, employee name as AA. Okay, now observe here what it is telling. Record inserted. Okay, we are calling packaged procedure here. So packaged procedure name is what? Hire. Okay, now open and see the table data here. Select star from, what is the table name? EMP, or otherwise employee number, e-name, salary from EMP. So observe, record inserted or not. With packaged procedure, we inserted this record. Previously 9 records were there. Now 10 records are there. This last row inserted by our HR.hire procedure. Next, for example, we want to increase salary. We want to update the salary. Now 1001 Smith salary is 30,900 and change. We want to increase 2,000 rupees salary. Means that should become 15,952. So we want to increase 2,000 rupees salary. So there is a procedure. To call the procedure, right? Execute. HR dot procedure name is what? Update salary. Update salary. Employee number 1001. We want to increase 2,000 rupees amount. So 1001 employee number. We want to increase 2,000 rupees amount. Okay. Observe here what it is telling. Salary updated. Updated or not, check here. Employee number, e-name, salary from EMP. Observe here. So updated or not, observe. Previously 30,000 change was there. Now 50,000. Previously 30,000 change. Observe here 1001 Smith. Previously 30,000 change. Now after calling our packaged procedure, update salary. Now salary is 50,000 change. So our update salary is working perfectly. Next, for example, I want to delete this employee record. 2001 AA employee record I want to delete now. Okay, so to delete the employee record, how we have to call now? Okay, execute, because that is procedure. Procedure means execute. Okay, package name is HR. HR dot fire. Which employee record we want to delete? 2001. Okay, what it is telling? Record deleted. So deleted or not, observe here. Select employee number, employee name, salary from EMP. Now again 9 rows are there. Okay, last 2001 AA record deleted. Again 9 rows are there. So record deleted. Next, so 3 procedures are working perfectly. Next, we want to calculate the experience now. So select HR dot. Okay, we want to call the function. Function should be called from the select command. We cannot use the execute command here. So HR dot experience of which employee's experience we want to find, that employee number we have to pass. So 1001 I am giving 1001 from DL. So 1001 employee's experience it is giving. Observe here. Experience it is calculating. I'm giving 1014 here. 1014 employees experience it is calculating. Next, I want to get top 3 salaried employees records. What we are trying? Select HR dot top n. HR dot top n of 3 from dual. So top 3 employees records it is giving. Observe here. So first rank, second rank, third rank, top 3. Okay. One more time I'm running. I'm giving this value as 5 here. So it gives top 5 salaried employees records. Observe. See here. Top 5 it is giving. So rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the way of using package. So please confirm, did you understand how to create the package? Okay. Now, you know how to create the package. I'm giving one assignment. You please try this one. You already know that there is account table is there. This one we created. Account number, account holder name, and is account balance. So like this one bank is maintaining. So 1001 account number, person account has 5 lakhs amount. 1002 person in his account 8 lakhs amount is there. Like this. Bank is maintaining account table. Our requirement is we want to define a package. We want to define a package as following. Package name is bank. We are giving package name as bank. Bank is the package name. So if any customer is opening the account, we want to insert that customer record in the account table. Okay. So if any customer is opening the account means he is new to the bank. So he is opening the account with some balance. Okay. So we want to insert that record in which table? In the account table. In the account table, insert this record. Okay. For example, one customer is performing withdraw operation. So withdraw operation is performing. So withdraw. Hello. Am I audible now? Please confirm. Please confirm in the chat box. Am I audible? Are you getting voice? Are you getting voice clearly? Is it okay? Okay. Now see here. See. So you try this one. Okay. So we want to define the package with the name bank. So here opening account, we have to define procedure or function. Procedure or function? Procedure. So procedure we have to define. DML operation, procedure. Withdraw, procedure. Withdraw is procedure. Okay. Deposit is procedure. Okay. Next, check balance. Check balance is function. Check balance is function. So select operation means function. So define function here. Okay. Next, closing account, procedure. Okay. For example, we want to get transaction details. So we want to get transaction details. Like we need to maintain one more table here. So you try this one. If possible, try transaction. So here we maintain transaction ID. Okay. So which account holder is performing the transaction? That account number. Okay. And which date he is performing? Date of transaction. Date of transaction. And which date he is performing that? Which account number on which date he is performing? Okay, which transaction type? Is he performing deposit operation or is he performing withdraw operation? The transaction type we maintain here. Okay, and how much amount is withdrawing or depositing? For example, transaction ID I am giving as 1111 1001 account number person. On so and so date, on so and so date, okay, on 1st January 2022, okay, he deposited some amount, okay, he deposited 50,000 amount in his account, okay, so like this, different account numbers, transaction IDs, account numbers, date of transaction, transaction type, amount will be maintained here. So what is our requirement now? 1001 employees, previous 6 months transactions we want, or 3 months transactions we want, or 1 month transactions we want. So we want to give starting date and ending date here. So if possible, you try this one. So function we have to define here because we want transaction statement. Function name is transaction statement. Okay, transaction statement means what we are doing here, select. So generally in the bank apps, to get previous transactions, he has 2 date values. First date, starting date, ending date. Whatever the transactions are there between these 2 dates, that will give. And you can filter only deposits or only withdraw. Like that also you can filter by using bank app. Okay, in the same way, the same action we want to do now. Okay, we want previous 3 months transactions. So for example, we want June month transactions. June month transactions we want. For example, what is the starting date we will give now? What is the starting date in the June? 1st June 2022. Okay. What is the last date in the June? What is the last date in the June? 30. Okay. So 30 is the last date. So 30 June 2022. So like this, we will pass 2 values. Like this, we pass 2 values when we call this function. And which accounts, that account number also we will pass. We pass like this. So 1001 account number. Okay. First date value, second date value. So when you are defining this function, you have to take arguments like this. So to capture account number, take one parameter here. To capture date value, take one parameter here. To capture another date value, take one parameter here. The transactions which are done between these two dates we want to get for this account number. Okay. So select query you have tried here. You try this one. Okay. So this is assignment for you to define one package with the name bank. Okay. Define opening account, withdraw, deposit, check balance. Okay. Closing account, transaction statement. All bank related procedures and functions we are defining here. So among these, checking balance, getting transaction statement are the fetch operation. So we are defining function. Remaining are DML operations. So we are defining procedure. You try this. Next topic is function overloading or procedure overloading. Function overloading or procedure overloading. Okay. I want to see procedures and functions list. So all procedures and functions information stored in which table? All procedures and functions information stored in which table? User source. Okay. So I want to get procedure name and type, name and type from user source. So distinct values we want to get. So to get distinct values, what we have right here? Distinct. So select a distinct name, means procedure name or function name it gives. Type, is it function or procedure it gives? Observe, we're seeing the list. Now, in this, here addition is there. Addition is it procedure or function? Addition procedure is already there. So addition is the stored procedure now. Addition procedure is already there. This addition is the stored procedure. Here addition procedure already there. This addition is the stored procedure already created. Now I want to create one more procedure here. Please confirm. Now is it okay? Okay. Now see here. So we are discussing about function overloading, or you can say procedure overloading. Function overloading or procedure overloading. So for example, there is already one procedure is there. Addition procedure is there. Addition procedure is there. Addition is the procedure. Addition, first one, addition is the procedure. This is the stored procedure. So now this is the stored procedure. So this stored procedure, I want to overload now. Stored procedure, I want to overload. So I want to print x plus y plus z value. So dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. We want to print sum equals to concatenation operator x plus y plus z. So can we overload the stored procedure? No. So observe, I'm not writing R replace. Observe here. I'm writing only create procedure only. I'm not writing R replace. Okay. So observe, already addition procedure is there. Again, I'm using the same name. Already addition procedure is there. Again, I'm using the same name. Okay. Are we able to create the procedure with the same name? No. It is giving error. What it is telling now? Name is already used by an existing object it is telling. So name is already used by existing object. You cannot use this name now. Addition procedure is already there. You cannot define another procedure with the same name. So can we overload the stored procedure? No. If you write R replace here, what happens here? Existing addition procedure will be gone. This new procedure will be replaced. Okay, replacement will be done. So this new code will be stored there. Old code will be gone. Old addition code will be gone. New code will be there. So that is the meaning of replace. Okay. So that's why I didn't write replace here. Replace means it creates. It creates, but old one will gone. New one will be there. Okay. So with this we can understand that a stored procedure cannot be overloaded. A stored procedure or stored function, stored procedure or stored function, stored procedure or stored function cannot be overloaded. Cannot be overloaded. So a stored function or stored function cannot be overloaded. Okay. Whereas packaged procedure or packaged function can be overloaded. Packaged procedure or packaged function can be overloaded. Okay, stored procedure or stored function cannot be overloaded, whereas packaged procedure or packaged function can be overloaded. So what is this overloading here? So overloading means, okay, defining multiple functions with same name and different signatures. Different signatures is called function overloading. It's called function overloading. So defining multiple functions with same name and different signatures is called function overloading. For example, we are defining a function here. This function name is demo. So function name is demo. Okay. So function name I am giving as demo. In this I am taking two arguments. So x number, y number. So this function we are defining in one package. Okay. This package name is, okay, I'm giving package name as P1. So package name is P1. In the P1 package, we are defining one function, demo function we are defining. So how many arguments are there? 2 arguments. Okay. Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Please confirm. Now, are you getting voice clearly? Okay. Okay. See here. So topic name is function overloading, or you can say procedure overloading. So a stored procedure or stored function cannot be overloaded, whereas packaged procedure or packaged function can be overloaded. Overloading means function name or procedure name we give same name, but signature is different here. So defining multiple functions with same name and different signatures is called function overloading. So here different signature means change in number of parameters, or change in data types, or change in order of parameters. Okay, for example, observe here. In the first function, how many parameters are there? 2. In the second function, how many parameters are there? 3. Okay, now can we take 2 parameters in the second function? No. Why? Function name same, okay. Signature is also same, observe here. Okay, now when you call like this, what is the package name here? P1. P1.demo 10, 20, like this we are calling. Okay, now it will get confused. That has to call first function or second function. Okay, that will get confused here. It gives error. You cannot create like this. Okay, so here multiple functions we can define with same name, but signature must be different. Here signature is also same here. Function name same. Signature is also same here. So in function overloading, signature same, function name must be same, and signature must be different. So different signature means what? Change in number of parameters. Here same number of parameters are there, same type are there. You cannot define like this. Second one you cannot define now. Okay, for example, I'm giving 3 parameters. Can we define like this? Yes, we can define now. Okay, because here 2 parameters are there, here 3 parameters are there. Okay, for example, I'm defining like this. Function name I'm giving as demo. Okay, first argument X number type. Okay, Y varchar 2 type. X number type, Y varchar 2 type. Next. Now can we define this third function here? Yes. Here how many parameters are there in the first function? 2. In the third function, 2. But data types are changed. Observe here. Here number, here number varchar 2. So there should be change in number of parameters like first and second. Or there should be change in data types like first and third. In the first number data types are there. In the third number varchar 2 are there. Or for example, I am defining one more function here. So in this also same X variable. Okay, number type varchar 2 type only I am taking here. So here also number and varchar 2 are there, but order is different. Observe here. Okay, if you observe the third one and fourth one, in the third one number varchar 2 we are taking. In the fourth one also number varchar 2 are there, but order is different. Okay, so there should be difference in number of parameters, or change in data types, or change in order of parameters. Okay, that is called different signature. So different signature means here if you observe in this package P1, all functions name are same and a different signature is there. Different signature means change in number of parameters. Here 2 parameters are there, here 3 parameters are there. Or change in data types. Here 2 parameters are there. Okay, here 2 parameters, here 2 parameters. Observe first one and third one. Here two parameters, here two parameters, but data types are different. Here number, here number varchar 2. Sometimes data types also same here, number varchar 2. If data types are same, order should be different. Here number varchar 2 order, here varchar 2 number order. So this is called different signature. Different signature means there should be change in number of parameters or change in data types or change in order of parameters. So like this, in the same package P1, you can define 4 functions like this with same name and different signatures. This is called function overloading. Okay, like this you can overload procedures also. If you overload procedure, procedure overloading. If you overload function, function overload. So to demonstrate this, I'm defining a package. See, this is a program to demonstrate function overloading. Program to demonstrate function overloading. So function overloading topic we are discussing now. So we want to define a package. So package name is P1. Okay. And in this package, we want to define one function, addition. We want to add 2 numbers here. We want to add 2 numbers. And we want to define one more function with the same name, addition. Okay, but we want to add 3 numbers here. Okay, so this is our requirement. Okay, 3 numbers we want to add. So package name is P1. We want to define 2 functions. 2 functions names are same, observe, addition, but signature is different. This one we want to create. Now we have to follow 2 steps. First, define package specification. Define package specification. What we have to write? Package specification. What we have to write? Create or replace. Create or replace package. Give the package name. Package name is P1. Okay, then write is or as, then write end. In between that, declare the functions here. Function. Okay, function name is addition. We are taking 2 arguments. X number type, Y number type. Return type is what? Return type is what? Number. X plus Y. X plus Y number. This is one function declaration. One more function we want to declare. Okay, function name is same, addition. X number, Y number, Z number. Z also number. Return type, number. So we are declaring 2 functions here. First function has 2 arguments. Second function has 3 arguments. So this is defining package specification. Next we want to define package body. So define package body. So to define the package body, what we have to write here? Create or replace package body. Create or replace package body. Package name is what? P1. Right? Is or as, then write end. Here define the first function. So first function, I'm copying here. This is the function addition with the 2 arguments. We are defining return type is number. So this is function. Okay, then write is or as, then write begin, then write end. This is end of addition function. Okay. Now we want to calculate what? X plus Y. X plus Y value we want to return. What we have to write? Return X plus Y. Very simple code. Code is over. Okay. Next, we want to add 3 numbers. So to add 3 numbers, we are defining the function. So this is a function. So function name is addition. 3 arguments. Return type number. Okay. Next. Is or as. Then write begin. Begin. Then write end. This is ending point of addition. Okay, directly you can write end also, no problem. What you write here, written x plus y plus z. Okay, that's it. Code is over. So observe now, we are creating this package specification and package body. I'm copying this. See here. And to demonstrate the global variable, I'm declaring one variable here. So this variable can be accessed anywhere. I'm declaring one variable here. So variable x I'm declaring as integer type. And this x value I'm giving as 100. This x variable we can access anywhere in the schema. Anywhere you can access this x value now. Okay, if you want to access x, what we have to write? P1 dot x. So observe here, I'm copying this. See what it is telling? Package created. Next, this is the package body. Package body I'm copying. Observe here, package body also created. Okay, now we want to use that package. So function we want to call. So select package name is what? P1 dot addition. So here I'm passing two values here. If we pass two values, is it called first addition function or second addition function? First one. Okay, first has two parameters, second has three parameters. Okay, here we are passing two parameter values or three parameter values. Two means first one will call. Okay, from dual. Observe here. See, 10 plus 5 it is calculating. Observe our packaged function working perfectly. P1 dot addition of 10 comma 5 means 15 it is giving. Okay, I'm giving 100 comma 200. It is giving 300. Observe. So our packaged function with two arguments working perfectly. In the same way, I'm passing three arguments now. 100 comma 200 comma 300 I'm passing. So second function will be called, because we are passing three arguments. Second function will be called. See here, 600 is giving. Okay. For example, I am passing four values. Okay. So what it gives now? Error it gives. Why? Because there is no addition function with four arguments. With two arguments, addition function is there. With three arguments is there. With four arguments not there. It's giving error. It is telling the wrong number of arguments are there. Okay, wrong number of arguments in the call to addition. So you are calling addition function. Okay, wrong number of arguments are there. It is telling. So if you are passing two, second function called 600. If you are passing three, second function called, it is giving 600. If you are passing two, first function called, it is giving 300. So this is procedure overloading. Next, there is one global variable is there. That global variable value I want to access. Package name P1. Global variable name is what? X from dual. From dual. Okay. So sorry. X is not in a procedure or is undefined. Just a minute. Okay, so instead of using directly, let me use in another program. Okay, so I'm writing like this. Execute dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, from select it is we are unable to access. So execute dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. What is the procedure name? P1 dot x. So is it printing P1 dot x value or not? Observe. Okay. From select we cannot call. So in the program you can use like this. In any program, if you are writing P1 dot x means which value it takes? 100. Okay. If you want to check, you can check like this. I'm writing one program here. Declare begin end Okay, I want to add two numbers. Okay, so first number is x. Okay, x value I'm giving as p1 dot x. Y value I want to read at runtime. Y value I want to read at runtime. I want to print x plus y value now. So dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, we want to print some value. So write sum equals to concatenation operator x plus y. So now observe here, x value we are not reading from keyboard. P1 packages x value we are storing in the x. So x is integer type and y is integer type. So now in another PLSQL program, we are using the global variable. So this is the way of accessing global variable. So x is global variable. We are accessing in this procedure here. Observe. So see here, y value it is asking, x value 100. Y value I'm giving 20. It has to print 120. Observe here, 120 it is printing or not. See. Okay. From where this x value it is taking? From the package P1. In the package P1, x is there. In the package P1, x is there. X value is what? 100. That 100 value we are using in another PLSQL program. So this is the global variable. So anywhere you can access in the schema. So to declare the global variables, we can use this package concept. To overload the functions or procedures, we can use, or to group the related functions and procedures, we can use it. This package improves the performance. Packages topic is over. So next, remaining topics are dynamic SQL. On Monday, we discussed triggers. So triggers, next important topic is triggers. After triggers, we discuss dynamic SQL. Then working with LOBs, how can we store the image in the table? B file data type, BLOB data types we discuss here. Okay, after this we discuss about collections. So this is our remaining topic, remaining syllabus in the PLSQL. If any miscellaneous concepts are there in the SQL, those we discuss. Okay, so for collections and miscellaneous concept, one class. Working with LOB, one class. Dynamic SQL, one class. Triggers, 3 classes. Maximum in the next week end, I finish your course. Okay, 5 or 6 classes. Within 5 or 6 classes, I finish your course. Okay, thank you everyone. See you on Monday.